You ever heard a '70 Mustang Boss fire up at dawn? That's the kind of sound that shakes your bones and rattles the neighbor's windows for blocks. I dragged this beauty out of a barn, crusty and forgotten, but I saw the legend hiding under all that dust and rust. First things first, yank out the tired 302, drop in a fire-breathing 429, and let the world know the Boss is back with a vengeance. We went wild with the paint. Deep grabber blue with white racing stripes so bright they'll blind you at noon. Chrome bumpers polished till you can shave in them. Old school Kragar wheels wrapped in fat rubber, ready to bite the asphalt. Every bolt got love, every wire checked twice, no shortcuts here. Under the hood, it's all business. Aluminum heads, a big carb, and a cam meaner than a junkyard dog. She roars, she rumbles, and she leaves black marks you could measure in yards. The ladies hang around, cold drinks in hand, watching the magic unfold. This car isn't just restored, it's resurrected from the ashes of time. I don't build museum pieces. I build rockets for the street that turn heads and shock the neighbors. So, think your ride could keep up? Or does this Boss have your number? Drop your dream build in the comments. This ain't for the faint of foot. You in?